how to easily log into your Outlook account. But before we begin, make sure to hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel. It will help us out a lot, so let's begin. First, you want to open your web browser. I have Google Chrome open right here, and on the search bar you want to search for Outlook login. And once you search for this, the very first link is the official website. You want to open it. And from here, if you don't have an account already, you can create one, but if you already have an account, just click on sign in and it will ask you for your Outlook mail and your password. I've already saved my login info right here, so it has logged in directly, but if you have not logged in previously, you will have to enter your Outlook mail, something like this, and your password. After you do that, you can easily log into your Outlook mail. That is all for this video. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.